This is Briarcliff Residence, a stunning home designed by Disbrow Iannuzzi, located in Franklin, United States. Spanning 6,445 square feet, this architectural masterpiece is set on a 3.5-acre rural landscape. Briarcliff seamlessly blends classic Michigan farmstead aesthetics with modern innovation. Its gabled roof structures pay homage to traditional barns, yet its sleek materials and refined details bring a contemporary touch. The facade is elegant and minimalistic, creating a striking contrast to the dynamic and playful interiors. Designed for a close-knit family passionate about music and theater, the home features open, light-filled spaces, fostering creativity and connection. Every detail, from its expansive windows framing nature to its sophisticated yet cozy ambiance, makes Briarcliff an architectural gem that perfectly balances tradition and modernity. The living room of Briarcliff Residence showcases a vaulted ceiling with exposed black steel beams, emphasizing verticality and openness. Warm wood paneling contrasts with sleek marble and dark cabinetry, while large glass doors enhance natural light. Thoughtful lighting fixtures and built-in shelving create a sophisticated yet inviting ambiance. The kitchen features a vaulted ceiling with exposed steel beams, warm wood paneling, and a striking stone backsplash. Deep green cabinetry contrasts with sleek finishes and bold blue seating. The dining room features a vaulted ceiling with exposed black steel beams, warm wood flooring, and an open layout. Strategic lighting and clear story windows enhance natural illumination. The bathroom features geometric multicolored tiles, a matte black freestanding tub, and a frameless glass shower enclosure. Clear story windows enhance natural light and spatial openness. For more views of the house and its floor plan, check out the following images.